Egyptian kings.
I love the whole world and all its craziness.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening all these blind bags. It's really fun, and we have a bunch of different ones like Trolls and Crossy Road, and a bunch of other ones. And before I get to the blind bag stuff, I need to thank Grandma Nut for bringing me $25 to buy all these blind bags. So I'd like to thank her. And if you don't know what a blind bag is, then, well, I'm about to tell you. A blind bag is basically like you get like one of these little blind bags and you don't know what's in them. And then whenever you open it, you find out what's in them. So yeah, that's what blind bags are all about. And I'm about to show you guys all the blind bags. So I'll start over here. We got Crossy Road. Got some Crossy Road. And we also got this thing. I don't know this. I just got random blind bags. So yeah, I just got random blind bags. So I have no idea what this is, but there you go. That's what this is. I don't know what this is. Okay. Also, I just a blind bag. And I got this Minecraft thing. Got the Minecraft thing. Yeah. Got this. And I got the Trolls blind bag. I'm really excited to open this. I wish I could find out which troll, like the bag of trolls I could have. Then Tizzies. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you what you can get on this Crossy Road. I'll show you guys. That's what I can get. Look at that. And now it's time to open them. Let's start with Crossy Road. About to open Crossy Road. Let's open it. Okay, we're opening the Crossy Road one. Open it. What do I get? Oh, I didn't open it enough. Let's open this Crossy Road. Crossy Road. Okay. Now can I open it? Yep. Let's see which one I got, you guys. What's this? Yes, I got this. I don't know what it is. It's a, I don't know. A snail? It's a snail. Cool snail. Got that. You guys can see it. I'm gonna put it right here. And move the trash over. There's trash. There's trash. And now I will open the trolls. Let's open these trolls. See what troll I get. Okay. I got Branch! I got Branch! That's cool! Oh, I see something else in here. Let's open this. What is it? Can't pick it out. Okay. Oh, this is the list of what characters you can get. I'll show you this. I don't know if you might see through it, but I'll do my best. There's that. Then the other side is pretty cool too. Yeah, that's the other side. Yeah, and let's go on to the next one. The troll over. Move those two over there. And next we'll open the Minecraft thingy. The Minecraft box. I might need my scissors still for this. Doesn't look like I do, but maybe I do. It's impossible to open. Oh my. Then I gotta open a little bit so I can. Okay, I'm opening this Minecraft box. I'm so excited because I play Minecraft too. So, yeah. This thing won't open. How it's opening? Yes, yes. Ah! Put the trash on there. Let's see which one I got. I got the ender portal. And then this guy with a sword. I'm getting so lucky today. Oh, and this, where's the ender portal though? There it is. This is so cool. Guys, look at that. Look at that. It's a little diamond sword. Well, and then we got the ender portal. So cool. Okay, move that stuff aside. Move that over there because still need to open that. I'm gonna cut this open. I'm gonna put all that right here. I'm gonna cut this open and I'm gonna get the sword and the stuff out. Can I cut this? It doesn't look like I can. Okay. I'm gonna cut this up. I can't cut it. Maybe I could try putting it over here. Yeah, this is uncuttable. Oh, that was easy. Okay, let's open all of this stuff. Oh look, here's the guy running without one arm because I have to put the arm on because the other part of his arm is on his, holding his sword, see? Cute little sword, and we're gonna put it on. Perfect. Perfect, we got this arm on. Okay. We're gonna, well, you can't stand, I'll have to lay you down. I don't know what that is, but right now I'm gonna open this ender portal. This is also openable. Can't open this. So hard. Okay, got it open, let's rip it. This is so hard, okay. So, do I do something with this, or what do I do with this? It's confusing me. Wait, this looks familiar. Just pop this on here. Goes the other way around. I think what I'm supposed to do is pop that on there, but I can't really get it on right now. I'll show you guys with the sword on first. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty cool. Where's his leg? Whatever. I guess he doesn't have a second leg. So, how does this exactly go on? I'm pretty sure it's like this, just not letting I. Okay, there. Finally got it. That's how it's supposed to go. And that guy's supposed to. Oh, I get it now. Do I get it? No. Well, that's what that does. And next we'll open this thing. I don't know what it is. It's a blind bag though. We're gonna open it. Let's open this thing. Here's the ender portal. So. Oh, that's easy. That one's easy. Wow. Which one did I get? Oh, this is so adorable. Why am I so lucky today? Look at it. It's like a little bobblehead. Look at it. It can bobble. See? That's cute. Okay. Put that over here. Right next to the guy that has only one leg. Over there. A lot of trash here. What's this? Oh, it's about all the ones I can get. And I got that one. I got that one right here. That's cute. Okay, last but not least, twosies. I've never opened one before. So we're gonna open these. How do I open this? Oh, I opened it. Oh, I thought I couldn't open that. That was easy. Okay, let's open this. How do I open this? Oh, it's just in there. Oh, cute. Let's open them. Okay, I finally got this thing opened. Oh my. Oh, look. There's a little puppy on its head. Look. So cute. Oh. And I'm gonna open this one. Oh, so cute. I got a little frog. Frog. So I got a puppy and a frog. So cute. Okay, move those to the side where the others are. They're all opened. Perfect. I would like you guys to be a little safe with scissors. Well, really safe with scissors. So you have to be safe with scissors if you're doing a blind bag opening thing. You have to be really safe with scissors here. You have to have an adult that's watching you, just in case. And so be safe about scissors, and please be safe about scissors, because you can get very hurt if you're not safe with them. So like, say for instance, I was not being safe with scissors. You would probably get hurt. And try and find my Roblox videos if you can and watch them if you want to. So I hope you guys had an awesome time. I sure did, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.